Let this car go. I don't go that fast. Go fast. Right. Little short clip. 0 to 33. Oh, I'll do it again. Did it all wrong, didn't I? It's going to be 0 to 41 kilometers an hour. Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the fast I'm going to go. Okay, 6 or 7 seconds. Oh, going a bit faster now. That's alright. That was a good speed run, wasn't it? Eh? No tax, no insurance, no MOT, no nothing. Just wear my helmet, my gloves, go out 20 miles max. 41 kilometers an hour. That's it. I'll do some little hills and stuff later on. I'll just stop now again. I'll just turn it off and turn it on again. Oh no, I won't bother. Lots of people in cars today. Sunday, I don't know where everybody's going. Come on lad, you can come. Ready? I'll do it again now. I'm going to do it down. I'm going to tuck down. Ready? Oh, sorry. There we go. 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's as fast. I'm 15 stone. What do you expect? Yep. Stay there, darling. Thank you. That's it. Just a short little video clip there. Brakes, excellent. Watch. Look at that. Disc brakes, front and rear.